Hello everyone, Simon here from myforestmagicweb.com, making this a small video about this CAD index and the trades I did with CAD pairs based on this CAD index. So it's easy to follow if you can understand. So this is the chart, this 4-hour chart of CAD index. CAD is the individual currency index. I'm talking about not the pair. If CAD index is going up, CAD is getting strong individually, and if CAD index is dropping, CAD is getting weaker, right? So this is the chart I made, and what happened to this chart so far as of today is this what happened. So it went up, and it was a nice harmonic pattern kind of thing. It was a wave 5 Elliott wave, and a 1.6 whenever extended level, and it dropped from there. So CAD basically got weaker. Now whichever pair has the CAD on the right hand side, they will go up, and the pair who has the CAD on the left hand side will go down. For example, CAD yen will go down when CAD index is dropping, and for example your CAD, USD-CAD, Euro-CAD, Aussie-CAD, they will go up when CAD index is dropping. So this is what happened. I said from here it's gonna drop, so it did, right? So what did I do with as far as the trades are concerned? Like I said, the CAD yen, CAD is on the left hand side, CAD is gonna get weaker and pair will drop. So it did. That's the trade. At the top there was a nice level as well, and this is how CAD yen went down. But CAD USD CAD on the other hand, it went up because CAD is on the right hand side and CAD is getting weaker. So you see, that's the name of the game here. Knowing if where the CAD index or any index is going, and you can have a lot of trades. Similarly, I didn't trade, but let me show you that I made this chart. Right, I made this chart when the price was here. This is a step, right? Okay, let me get the old chart here. I'll show you when I made this chart and sent out to my subscribers. It was Euro Aussie, right? Okay, so no, Euro CAD, and see, this is the chart I made. This is the chart I made that it's gonna go up, right? And so far it went up this much. I didn't trade this pair though. I just had USD CAD and CAD yen, but this one also went up very nicely and it's keep going. So it's gonna go up more, and then tonight when the volume comes back. Right now this is no volume, so when the volume comes back, I will continue trading in that same direction. CAD is getting weaker, and also yen is getting strong. By the way, yen, I made this chart here. Let's see if I can show you. See, this is a chart I made on the second, as also that in somewhere here is gonna drop, because this is how it's Elliott wave, and it's gonna drop big time. But when it start dropping, all yen pair gonna be going down, all yen pair. That's why yesterday you can see on my website that Aussie yen, very beautiful trade to the downside. New Zealand yen, very good trade to the downside I had, right? And the CAD yen, right? All three yen pairs to the downside. And we're still waiting. Any yen pair. You see what happened to this chart so far. This, see, it's dropping. It's right there. Blue candle turned red, and it's nicely dropping. So, and it's a long way to go still, right? So all the yen pair is gonna drop. So if you have a good strategy to make an entry, fine, use it, and take your short trades in yen pairs, as long as it's stay below 54. 34 is a weekly low. Okay, if it stays below that number, and then it's gonna continue dropping. Okay, so this is how I have it, that it's gonna drop here. See, it dropped right now, but then it's gonna retrace a little bit, maybe right here. This is what 54.34 is, and then it will meet here with the wave, and then boom, drop again. At that time you can go short all yen pairs, or whichever you like, and just make sure that they are dropping. They will be. Okay, with my strategy, my for example, Aussie yen right now, you can see how it dropped, and I took it right from the top. My trade is on my website. You can go take a look. All right, so this is how it is. CAD very beautiful is coming down. Yen is getting strong, and Aussie dollar getting weak. So when Aussie dollar getting weak, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie is gonna go up. I had on the 4th or the 5th, sorry, 5th or the 6th, right? I had Euro Aussie for 200 pip. Trade is on my website posted. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great and wonderful trading week, whatever is left over. And if you like to be a part of it, and if you like to get a hold of this system and trade like the way I just showed you, the entries, beautiful trades, just get subscribe and get the system and get ready. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day or night, whatever you have on your side.